everybody, welcome back to Be Creative with Arya and Shreyash. Today with me there is Let's Fun with Sai.
Hi everyone, I am Let's Fun with Sai.
She is also my friend and today she came here to do Switch Up Challenge. So her channel's link is in the description box. You can subscribe her channel also and see her videos. We both have done one Switch Up challenge on her channel. You can watch there also. So let's get started. Guys, today we are doing mix switch up challenge. In this we will see game switch up, big versus small,
Switch Up.
small versus big also, special versus normal also, and game box, jewelry box, all that. So this is first round. So now I will peek and
No, we will
We'll
do
do rock,
stone,
paper, scissor.
paper, scissor.
so rock, paper, scissor, shoot.
Yay!
So Sai will peek and I will then tell switch or keep.
So I have peek and she will choose. She want
This one or
keep or switch.
so I want to keep.
Okay, so
I got this ultimate sprinkling nails, which is the nail art kit, and she got
fabulous jewelry, easy
Set.
to create.
so we can create jewelry and we can do nail art. So second round.
So who is the winner of this round?
So
This round winner is Arya.
yes, now second round.
Let's go.
Second round. So in second round I will be picking and Sai will tell she want to.
Keep or switch.
So now I'm picking. You can see guys, this is a small and big round. So yes, tell you want this or this.
So I want to switch.
You want to switch. I will get this.
I am too confused because you can see my switch up stationery our board challenge on my
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Link in the description box.
I was so confused because she laughed, means only laughing, so I do confusion. So do comment you also which is one big one and which is a small one. So I wanted to switch.
You want to switch? Okay.
Yes, really I wanted to switch.
Okay. She got this. She got big one. And I got this small one. So one point. Sai also got 1 point. I also got 1 point. So now third
This is
round.
a tie. And
Yes.
let's move to
Third round. Oh, third round.
Now I will pick and she will tell she
I want to switch
keep
or
switch.
switch. So she will be picking.
So guys, I'm picking. So this is a special and normal round. This is a special one.
Done.
So now I will tell that I want this one or this one. Okay, so I want to keep.
Keep.
Yes.
Okay. She want to keep and I got special one.
I got normal one and she got special one. So Sai has 2 points and I
Arya
have
has
1 point. So fourth round.
Let's move to fourth round.
Guys, this is fourth round and in fourth round I will be picking and Sai will tell that she want to switch
Keep
or
or
switch. So let's see what is inside. So this is compost round, special versus normal. So let's see. So okay, I have done. Now Sai will tell she wants this one or this one. Which you want?
So I want to switch. No.
Then?
I want to keep.
Pakka?
No, switch.
Pakka?
Keep.
Okay, keep. Ooh, I have got special one.
I
Yoo-hoo.
got normal one.
Okay, so my points are 3 and Sai has 2.
2.
So now fifth round. Let's go to fifth round. Guys, this is fifth round, and in fifth round I will peek and Sai will tell that she wants to
Switch or keep.
So now let's speak. So
Ready?
as you can see, no, as you can see, these are the storybook round. So let's see who gets the special one and normal one. Okay, ready.
Ready? So I want to switch.
Switch. Oh shit! I got the normal one, that is Oliver
Oliver
Twist, and Sai got this Tales from Shakespeare's. So let's move to sixth round. Says
Guys, it's
sixth
sixth
round.
round.
And in sixth round, Sai
So
will
Arias,
pick.
this is the sixth round.
Sixth round.
This is the sixth round.
Sixth round. Okay. So Sai will pick, and I will tell that I want this one or this one. So let's see.
So guys, this I'm picking, and this is a normal one. This is the normal one. I'm saying lie, but this is the special one. Okay. Let's say ready.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Okay. So I want to switch. No. I want to switch. No. I want to keep. Okay.
Okay, so what do you have?
I have this. Oh, this is the normal one.
Yay! I say normal. This is the normal, but I say lie. So this is one special, and this is the normal one.
So now it's time for the seventh and the final round.
Round.
So Sai's point is 4 and my 3.
3.
So I have to win the last round. So let's see. So guys, this is the seventh round and
Again, this is the seventh round.
No, this is the seventh round and this is the final round. So in final round,
It's too tough. So who will win? We also don't know.
so watch the video till the last to know who is the winner. So now I will be peeking and Sai will tell that she wants to switch or keep. So let's speak. So guys, this is the special one and this is the special one.
I think so. That is a special one she's saying.
So let's see. Chalo.
Okay. So what? Kavali? So guys, I think so. Last time I say it's a special. Means it's a normal one, but it not was the normal one. That was the special one. So I think so. She is saying again that like that only. So this is not a special one. This is the special one. So I will keep.
Okay, this is the special one. I was telling the truth.
Truths.
So guys, this
So
is
this
the
both
hide and seek
videos are in
uploaded in my channel, so you can check the link. This also game I have played with Shreyas, the black box puzzle, and this hide and seek game also I have played with Shreyas. You can watch that video.
Wow.
You can watch that video.
This is a house.
So this is a magnetic and this is, and how to play this you can watch on my channel, link in the description box. Go and check and enjoy that videos also. Now हम दोनों का हो गया tie, so we will play a riddle. So who will give the answer of that riddle, they will be the winner. And now you will see the riddle on your screen. So guys, here is the riddle on your screen, and when I will say 3, 2, 1 go, then we have to answer, and who will be the first, they will be the winner of the round. So 3, 2, 1 go. This is carpet. Is it right? Guys, I am the winner of the game, and Sai has also done very nice. And till my video comes, you can watch her videos also and my videos also. We have done one switch up challenge on her channel also. So this was for the video. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss another update. And this is Arya and Sai saying you tata, bye bye and take care.